Hi traders, Dale Pinkert, Twitter handle at Forex Stop Hunter. Yesterday, I just wanted to give you an update from what I talked about yesterday in the gold. With yesterday's close in the gold, I thought there was a shot for 1220, 61.8. So far, we've stalled at the 50% level. Again, this 1280 level is going to be very important. If that gives way, I think we could look for 1240. We'll see if gold has a chance to recover one more time towards 1320, or this is it today. Silver also even underperforming and definitely looks like it could be in some trouble unless we begin to dig in our heels and hold here, but definitely a negative day in gold after a little bounce after a $65 decline. So we could be looking at the continuation of a decline in gold after yesterday's high. I had been talking about looking for some type of top in copper. Today we are getting a down day in copper, and I've included the daily. As you can see, we have some confluence at 280. That's going to be a very important level. Looks like we're going to head in that direction under 280. You could go back to the weekly and that I provided earlier in the week, and I think that would be a pretty decent sell signal to take out initially 285 and then 280 for us to take out the lows under 285 and head to lower levels as economically sensitive commodities, industrial commodities, take a breather and remain under pressure. And I wanted to wrap it with the crude oil. A few weeks ago, I was working the short side, and as of last Friday, stopped. But now I'm seeing the potential that crude is now approaching a pretty important objective. You have the daily there too. As you can see, we have a broadening formation that takes us up to about 59 and a half. So I know a lot of people are saying $60, 62, 65 crude is a lock. I'm thinking there could be some problems up in that area before we do get the correction I was anticipating before the candle that held at that 54.37 level. So we had about a $3 break. So be aware up around 59 and a half in crude. We're already getting 1 hour non-confirmations in WTI. May take a little bit more work and a little bit more upside after distributing here. My view is this is not a breakout to be long for a huge move to the upside, but again, shaking out shorts over the high. Previous highs were 57.60, so we're only uh, 60 cents above the breakout high. So, it's not exactly exploding. And I do think there could be some more upside. But your first sign that there's a problem would be back under what some people are considering a breakout at 5760. Remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. Be back with you guys tomorrow to wrap up the week. Good hunting.